Did you know that 90% of drivers make simple mistakes on the use of their handbrakes? Many people do not know the correct way to use their vehicle handbrake, and here I'm going to teach you the right way to use a vehicle handbrake to avoid damage to the vehicle transmission and to save you a lot of cost. Now look at it. This is your gear, the gear lever, and this is the handbrake lever, which is right beside the driver in most of the sedan and smaller cars. Now before you engage your vehicle on the handbrake, the vehicle will have been on a drive position, which means the gear is completely engaged, and then by the time you release your leg from the foot brake, the vehicle starts moving. But for you now to engage your handbrake, not to damage the transmission data, because handbrake usage in the proper way will save you cost and it will protect your vehicle transmission from being damaged. So now the vehicle is on drive. So the first thing you need to do while your leg is on the brake is that you move your vehicle gear to neutral position. So in this position now, it means the gear has been disengaged from the engine. And once you are done with that, then you will now pull your handbrake knob, and you don't just pull it up like this. So it is always advisable, and the best and the safest way to do that is by pressing this button on your handbrake lever, press it inward, and then pull the handbrake up. Once you get to a certain stage, a level that you are satisfied with, then you release the button to make it clean. So when you do that, you are saving yourself a lot of problems. You are saving your vehicle from transmission damage. Now let me explain again. The first thing you need to do is make sure you move your gear into the neutral position from drive position. Then you pull your handbrake up, and lastly then you move your gear into the parking position, which is this. By the time you do that, the vehicle will not have any little form of rollback to the front or to the back. If you don't do it the right way, if you first of all engage your vehicle in parking position before you engage the handbrake, there is tendency, in fact in most cases, your vehicle will have a little rollback, and that rollback, by the time you don't want to engage the vehicle into drive position, it will be difficult for you to start pulling. So you start dragging, and start pulling, dragging the gear to move from parking position to your drive position. The reason is because of that little rollback that happens because you don't use your handbrake properly. So thank you for watching. You can follow us, like and subscribe to our channel for you to learn more about simple things that can save you thousands of naira in vehicle repair.